Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have a special unboxing of the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Google Pixel Watch 2. Shout out to Team Pixel. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a special unboxing of the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Google Pixel Watch 2. Big shout out to Team Pixel for actually sending me out this package. I am super surprised. This is really dope. I'm definitely loving the brand new colorways that they have. They have the Bay Blue, which I'm going to call the Carolina Blue. Looks absolutely beautiful. Shout out to the Tar Heels if you guys watch college basketball. But just the presentation is absolutely amazing. So I do have the packaging for the devices here, but I actually have the actual devices right in here. So if you guys want to take a look at the box, you guys could pause this and read it for yourself. They did actually send out the 128 gigabyte model of the Pixel 8 Pro. Hashtag Team Pixel. Gift from Google is in the building. And we have the Pixel Watch 2 packaging, which seems like it's a little bit bigger than last year. This is the information if you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself. Absolutely cool. And on the side, Wear OS from Google. Now, let's just put these to the side so we can take a look at the actual presentation that they send. Now, this is just for the media, which is a nice and dope presentation. You see how they put this in almost like a glass type looking box here. And we do have the number 8 right all the way around. Google Pixel Collection. Now, if you guys didn't know, the Pixel 8 Pro, it does have a 6.7 inch display, and it does have the brand new Tensor G3 as well, which comes with a lot of brand new features. But this is so cool. Now let's just pop this baby out, see what it looks like. So as you can see, we have the number 8, and we do have some information that's about Team Pixel there on the back, but those are just for my eyes. So let's just put this to the side. As you can see, the beauty has arrived. The Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel Watch 2. Now, if you guys didn't know, this does actually come in plenty different storage sizes this year. So we have the 128, the 256, the 512, and the 1 terabyte, which is only for the USA. I think for international, it only tops out at 512, and it does have 12 gigabytes of RAM, 50 megapixel camera, wide angle lens is also 48 megapixel, and it does have the autofocus, and it does have the third camera for zoom, 48 megapixel telephoto, 50% charge in about 30 minutes, and it does go up to 30 watts. Now, one big difference that I did actually see and I did actually read about as we pull the phone out here is we do have a brand new sensor right there that is actually a temperature sensor, and this is pretty cool because it will work for a lot of different things, including having to save to your Fitbit and now Hold 9 right there. But as far as the overall design, it does have like that frosted glass look to it. Really beautiful. And if you guys did not know, Google just announced that they're going to have the OS updates for this Pixel for the next 7 years. But just to look at this, it's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful design. Now, if you guys want to pick up the regular Pixel 8, it does have a little bit of less features, but it does actually come in $300 cheaper. So if you guys do want to pick up the Pixel 8 Pro, that will come in at $999, and if you want the Pixel 8, then it will come in at $699. But here is the Pixel Watch 2 actually. We're sorry, I'm ahead of myself here. Looks like that they did actually take this out here. Now, as far as the Pixel Watch 2, they did actually make a few changes. It does have a brand new chip that I actually experienced with another device that I do have on my channel. It does have that Snapdragon W5 chip, which is amazing with battery life. So I definitely want to see how it is with a smaller screen like the Pixel Watch 2. It does have a couple of new sensors, and it does have a better digital crown here. See, it definitely looks a lot more premium than last year. And it does have the faster charging. So, and it does come out the box with the OS watch Wear OS 4. So let me take off my older watch here. Let's pop this on and just see what it looks like on the wrist. I do have a smaller wrist, so I definitely love the color combination. I did actually see some people were saying that it looks weird in this blue, but I'm definitely loving that Carolina blue. Let's pop this baby on. Let's see what it is. If you guys want to see more content about the Pixel Watch 2 and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, subscribe to the channel. Check out the sides. Unbelievable. Definitely way more premium than last year. Really, really nice. I do like the color combination. That actually matches right there. You still have that little bit of a camera hump there, but beautiful, beautiful design. I will have some case videos on the way, but here you go, guys. The Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel Watch. Check out that matching thing right there. Oh yeah, and I forgot to do one thing, guys. I forgot to show you what's in the actual boxes. That's my mistake. So as you can see from here, this looks like what it comes with. So you should have a charging cable inside there for the Pixel Watch 2. Definitely different type of packaging. As you can see from here, this is the charger. Definitely gonna need that. And over here you have a different size band if you guys have a larger wrist, which is pretty cool. And as far as the Pixel 8 Pro, this is what it comes with here. Right, let's pop this out. Alright, so you do have your adapter. If you do want to transfer some data from your old phone into your new phone, you could do that. And we do have the standard Type-C to Type-C cable. It definitely looks like the one from last year. No difference when it comes to that. So that is what you get inside the box. This is your quick start guide, I believe, but that's about it. Big shout out to 1000 Heads and for teampixel for actually sending this out to me. You guys are amazing. And if you guys want to see more coverage of the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel Watch 2, stay tuned to the channel and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. There we go.